Hi everyone, my name is Kelvin and I built this car with my own 2 hands.
Wow, man! This is so amazing!
The story that I'm about to tell you is beyond impressive, and I've never seen anything like it before in my entire life. Everybody meet Kelvin, a teenager from the outskirts of Accra, Ghana, who literally made this stunning car from scrap metal with his own bare hands. To me, this is so revolutionary and mind-blowing that I couldn't help but wonder, how does one even go about doing this? Well, it turns out that he's always been a bright kid with very high ambitions.
When Kelvin was a kid, he has been using these empty containers for aeroplanes. He started with it. He has been doing this aeroplane helicopters, and when it flies to some stage and it will fall. So it reached a point that he wants to make this big car. Sometimes he will stay at home when it is even school time.
Right.
Then he'll be doing it.
Right. What did you think when he first drove the car and it actually works? What was your reaction? How did you feel?
I was scared because car problem and things like this, no. We are not rich enough for him to drive a car, and maybe he will get any injured or he will hit somebody or something. So I'm always scared for him, because always I tell him he shouldn't take it out. Even the first time he drove it to the school, no, I wasn't around.
There's so many people here. How do they feel when they see his car? Are they excited, or is he popular here in this town?
As you can see, anytime this car comes out, other children follows the car. That's how they are. They'll be laughing. They are very happy about it.
Kelvin had a dream to create a car with his own bare hands, and nothing stopped him from achieving his goal. He started with the first piece a few years ago, and little by little, the car came to life. Tell me about the different materials that you used. It looks like metals and stuff.
Yeah, we use the normal material that we use to build the containers. And we have the square pipe, round pipe, angle bar, the iron rods for construction. Yeah, and also we use the plate to do the body. This car is a combination of car and motor.
Okay.
So the motorcycle. So we have the motor shocks under here that helps the car to resist the shocks, and also the hub, we get it from scraps.
How much money would you say it costs to get all the material and make the car?
It costs a lot, because right now I can't have it in total, because I've been buying it small.
Can you try to make like a guess?
8,000.
That's like 100, less than $200. How long did it take you to build this car?
It has taken me 3 years.
And you did everything yourself?
Yes, I did it myself, and later on my friends came and joined.
So Kelvin and I are gonna take a spin in his amazing car that he hand-built from scratch, from mostly scrap metal. I don't even know how it's gonna work, but I'm excited to get in the car. Okay, cool. Wow, that's the door handle? Whoa, man, that's cool. Wow, it's like a Ferrari, it opens up. We're going in the Kelvin Mobile. The one and only Kelvin Mobile. Whoa, dude, this is so cool, man. Holy crap. Cruising around Accra in style, bro. Today's video is sponsored by Surfshark, my go-to VPN, and the one that I'm actually using right now to upload this video. A VPN gives you complete online privacy because it lets you access the internet from any country you choose. I log into my VPN every day because it gives me freedom and safety from hackers in places like hotels, airports, cafes, and anywhere else where there's a public Wi-Fi signal. By using Surfshark, I can easily change my virtual location to New York, for example, so I can unblock websites and use social media platforms that are often censored in other countries. Surfshark is an easy-to-use app or browser extension that I recommend for peace of mind when traveling, and today they're hooking you guys up with 84% off plus 4 months totally for free if you use the discount code DREW at checkout. Surfshark is the only VPN out there that lets you connect to an unlimited amount of devices, and they also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Once again, huge thanks to Surfshark for sponsoring today's video, and now let's jump back into the story. I've never experienced anything like this before. Dude. Whoa. All right. Yeah, watch out, guys. Watch out. All right. when it first started working, were you so happy the first time you could drive it?
I was very happy. So, but the first time, the car got hit and some of the parts spoiled. So,
Oh, some of the parts are broken.
we are going to reverse.
Yeah. Oh, we're going in reverse? We're going in reverse. Backing up. You should call this like the Kelvin mobile. You should get like a little like logo, like a K.
Yeah, you're on it.
Oh, okay, great. So he's gonna have his own brand of cars that says K for Kelvin. Like, I've never heard of anyone making their own car like this. That's incredible, man. Like, it's so inspiring what you're doing. It's really, really special. Is this for the music?
Yes.
You have music? Does it work? Yeah, put the music on. Yeah. Wow, like the ceilings in here are like, there's like puffy material, styrofoam. Ceilings are styrofoam. He's got a mirror. He's got a radio system. This is the stick shift right here. All right, it's really everything that you need in the car. Okay, we're gonna drive just down the street and stop. We'll stop before the main road. Oh man! Woo-hoo! That is bumpy. Wow, man! This is so amazing! We're cruising on the main road right now. The car actually works. Like, we're driving fast. Unbelievable! I'm like so shocked right now. Do you want to keep creating, or do you want to inspire other people to make cars? What's your goal?
Yeah, my goal is to build cars and manufacture cars in all over the world. We want to build cars like how the white people do.
If you could say one message to everybody in the world watching this video, what would you tell them?
I want to motivate everybody who has the knowledge and the skills to build something. Sometimes when we are starting to do something, we find it very difficult to build things like this because it costs a lot.
Yes.
So I want to motivate every youth, anybody who wants to build something like this or who have a dream, to make sure the dream comes to pass, and with that it can be successful with everybody.
That was beautiful, man.
I know from the start of his car, but when he started, I stayed with him in this hut for a long.
You stayed with him?
Yes.
Do you like him?
Yes.
He's a nice person?
I'm also planning to do heritage motor.
Really? Tell me about his car.
On his last day on the BC, he took it to the school. So that when they finish, he can go around it with it.
Amazing. It's okay. So when you started, it was really small, and then it grew and grew and grew. And now look, it's like a big car now. That's really cool. So you also want to do the same thing?
Yes.
Really? Have you started yet?
I'm now drawing certain things I have to do.
Oh, wow. Next time I come here, I will be interviewing you about your car. Yeah? You're confused. So you are the amazing mother of Kelvin.
Yes.
What do you think about his car?
I'm so excited because when he started, I have ever thought it to reach this far, and my boy has done amazing thing that I've ever even thought of.
It's really incredible.
It's really incredible.
And he's only 18.
Yes.
Okay, right now, as we are building this project, and we are finding it very difficult to get the materials and the support to do better and more. So I'm asking everybody, I'm pleading, I'm begging everybody that anybody who has any support, maybe from the financial, education, and any support, maybe the garage that we can work in. As you can see, we don't have any good garage that we are working. So we need garage, and also we need the support to do it and do it better. Okay.
Thank you for your time, man. It's been incredible to meet you and hear your story, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
So we think we've pulled up to the right spot, but we don't know. We called someone. Cece doesn't even know who she talked to. And apparently the kid is coming here now, and so we're just kind of...
I think the one we called He also made a story on the kid. Yeah, so he knows where the kid is. So he's going to take us there.
Okay, so we are basically doing what we can to find the kid. And we're just waiting. Sissy, what part of Accra is this?
And we are Tabora Junction. Near Abeka La Pass in Accra.
And what can we find here?
Basically, I don't really know. It's just a normal place.
Yeah, we're in a really random district of Accra. Sissy doesn't even know where we are, and she's from here. And yeah, I don't know much about this kid. I saw a video on Facebook of him. He was featured in a viral video, and I saw it for like 15 seconds, but that was enough for me to know that I want to find him and make a story on him. So that's what's happening right now. So we're just kind of waiting around until we get the green light to find him and make the story. I think we found the guy we were looking for. This guy. How are you? There's a lot going on.
How are you?
What's your name?
My name is Niayi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Niayi.
Yeah.
Promoting Ghana to the world.
Yes.
I'm trying to do that also.
Thank you so much for coming to our country to promote us.
I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and ring that little bell so you can get notified on all my upcoming videos as I take you to every single country in the world.